So this is the tram progress so far. The lights are teeny little LEDs. They're working off the same circuit, but the bottom ones have an extra resistor, 4.7K. The top one also has a 4.7K, but the bottom one has, or the bottom pair have two 4.7K, as it were, in series, which is why the bottom one is dimmer. I can, of course, dim the DCC circuit as well, but we'll see how it goes. This is on speed step 1 at the moment, but the Tomy 05 chassis seems to work quite nicely. I still have glazing to do and drivers to fit, couplings to fit and weathering to do, but it's progressing quite nicely. It's been a smashing print. Whoops, that's me twizzling the knob by accident. Sorry about that. Trying to do too many things at once, of course. I haven't tweaked any of the CV settings. So the whole thing is looking a bit bare and basic at the moment, but with a bit of weathering, it'll come to life quite nicely. So a very nice little addition. This, of course, is a Rotterdam tram, diesel electric, M-67 was its designation, I think. I think they were meter gauge or something, but this is obviously built to be a bit narrower. A very, very nice print, details absolutely fine, and it builds up into a very nice little model.